Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start the third part of our first chapter, Alphabet and Series. So for those who are new here, we are doing a series of logical reasoning classes, which is going to help you all in all type of government exams as well as in your campus placement. So to learn the easiest way of solving such question, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So guys, today we are going to start the third part. So in our last class, we have already seen the place value of alphabetical series and their opposite of letters, correct? And then we saw the properties of alphabetical series. So let's first see what are those properties. We just recap once what are those properties. It is the last part. Here we will do all the type of questions, and then we will in our next class we will learn the number series. Okay, so let's recap it firstly. So the first properties was left place value of any letter plus its right place value is equal to 27. Second properties was place value of any letter plus place value of opposite of that letter is equal to 27. Third one, for to find the number of letters between two alphabets, we are using the formula difference of place values less 1. And the last one was to find the letter or alphabets of at any place value. We are using the formula place value plus 26 is equal to the place value of that letter. Okay. Now, also we saw in our last class a type of question for which I have already given you 2 words. I hope you all have done that. So let's see what was the question. How many such pair of letters are there in the given words, whatever the word was given here, which have as many letters between two letters as they have in the English alphabet? Means what as many letters are there in the words given between two letters. It is same as in the alphabetical series. Number of letters is same between the two letters. Okay. So the first word which I have given to you all was machinery. Okay. And the second one was education. So I hope you all have done this. So please check your answer. If you are correct, do let me know in the comment section that you got the correct answer. And if you didn't got the correct answer, no problem. Check your answer and just see where you are doing mistake. If you are not getting it, do let me know. I will explain it again. Okay. So for the machinery one, we have 3 pairs, that is HI, IM and EH. Okay. Between H and I, there is no any place value between H and I. Here also it is no any letter is there between H and I, and also in English alphabet also we don't have any letters between H and I. In the same way, IM and EH. IM is in the backward direction. EH is also in the backward direction, and HI is in the forward direction. And this next word was education. In education, we have 5 pairs, that is DE, DI, AD, AE, and NO. DE is in the backward direction, DI is in the forward direction, AD is in the backward direction, AE is also in the backward direction, and NO is also in the backward direction. I hope you all have got your answer. So now we are moving to the next type of question. So see, what is the question? In the word saintly, if all the vowels are arranged alphabetically from left to right, followed by the consonant left to right, also alphabetically replaced, arranged alphabetically only, then how many letters remain at their same position? It is telling if we will fulfill these 2 criteria, vowels are arranged alphabetically from left to right, and then we are arranging the consonant in this letter in this word from left to right alphabetically only, then how many letters in that word remain at their same position? Means it is as it is written, if after arranging, if any letter in this word is remaining at the same position or not, we have to check that. So what is the word? We will write the word here simply. So at first, what is the vowels here? A and I, correct? Now we will, vowels are here. What are the vowels? A and I, and it is written in the same direction alphabetically. It is already arranged. So we will write A, I. Okay. Now what we have to arrange after vowels are done, till here it is done. Now followed by consonant left to right alphabetically, except A and I, all are consonant here. So we will arrange it alphabetically. So if we are arranging it alphabetically, how we will arrange it? At first, what will come? In this, at first, we will get what? L. After L, what is there? N. After N, what is there? S. After S, T. And after T, it is Y. So how many letters are there at the same position? Here S, here A, I, L, N, N. So the first letter is N. It is same at its same position. It is not N is not changing its place. It is remaining at its same position. After that, T, S, L, T, Y, and Y. So Y is also not changing at its it's changing its position. It is also at the same position. So it is asking how many letters. So how many letters are there at the same position? N and Y. So our answer will be 2. Okay, got it? I hope you all understand this question. It's very simple. So let's move to the next type of question. So in this question, what it is asking? In the words marksman, if all the vowels are replaced by the next letter, so what we have to do it? Replace. We have to change that letter by the next letter, and all the consonants are replaced by the previous letter. Okay, then what is the square of sum of the place value of second letter from left hand and fourth letter from the right? So after fulfilling its criteria, whatever it is asking to replace the vowels by the next letter and replace the consonant by the previous letter. And after replacing it, we have to find the place value. We have to find this equation, square of sum of place values. Okay. So in the word marksman, we just have to replace the letters, right? We don't have to arrange it. So straight away we will check what is the second letter from the left hand. So M, A, first, second letter is A, and A is what? Vowels. So we have to replace the vowels by the next letter. After A, what we get? B. Okay. And then we have to ask, we did the second letter from left hand, we fulfill this criteria. And what is the next one it is asking? Fourth letter from right hand. So from right hand, what is the fourth letter? 1, 2, 3, 4. S is the fourth letter, correct? So S is consonant. How we have to replace the consonant? By the previous letter. We have to replace it by the previous letter. So what is the previous letter of S? R. And what is the, R. So we write R here. Now we will do the question. We have fulfilled this criteria. This criteria is complete. Now it is asking then what is the square of sum of the place value? Okay. So what is the place value of B? We have to find the place value. What is the place value of B? 2. And what is the place value of R? What is the place value of R? R is what? 18. Correct. Now we find the place value. After place value, what we have to do? We have to do the sum. It is asking sum. So add it. What we get? 20. After sum, what we have to do? Square of that sum. What is the square of 20? What is 20 square? 400. So our answer will be 400. We did the square of sum of the place value after changing this letter. Okay. So understood this question? How we did? So without changing all the letters, we just do the whatever it is asked here, second and fourth. Okay, we just did it. We just changed the second letter and fourth letter because here we don't have to do anything else. We just have to replace the vowels and consonant. Okay, so let's go to the next question. It is similar to the last one only, but there are few changes in it. So the question is, in the word alphabet, if all the vowels are replaced by the next letter, it is same as before. For vowels, we have to replace it by the next letter. And all the consonants are replaced by the previous letter. We have to replace the consonant by the previous letter. Till here it is same as we have, as it is said in the last question also. But see, after that, after replacing vowels and consonant, we have to arrange it, okay? Then we have to arrange all the letters alphabetically. So after changing all the vowels and consonant, we have to arrange them alphabetically, okay? And then in the alphabets, not this alphabet, in the English alphabet from A to Z. Then in the alphabets, how many letters are there in between second letter from left hand and third letter from right hand? Okay, so what it is asking, how many letters are in between two letters, second letter from left hand and third letter from right hand? We already have done the properties. So which can you remember which properties it is? It is the third properties. We did the properties here. Number of letters between two alphabets. We did this. So in that question, we will use the same formula, difference of place value less 1. Okay. So here we will use the same formula. Correct? So what is the word here? Alphabets. Alphabet. Now we have to first, we will do what? Change all the vowels, replace it by the next letter. A is vowels. After A, what it will be? B. Then here also A, B. Here E is also vowels. After E, what we get? F. Sorry. After F, after changing the vowels, we will now change the consonant. Consonants are replaced by the previous letter. So L will replace by K, P will replace by O, H will replace by F, sorry, G, B will replace by A, and T will be replaced by S. Okay. So after replacing the vowels and consonant, the next step, what we have to do, arranged them in alphabetically order. Okay. So if we are going to arrange it alphabetically, how it will change? At first we will write A, then B. We have 2 times B here, B, and then it will come F, then G, then K, then O, and then S. It is replaced. So all the vowels are replaced by next letter, all the consonants are replaced by previous letter, fulfilled, and also we have fulfilled it by arranging it alphabetically. Okay, now it is asking then in alphabets, means in alphabets from A to Z, how many letters are there in between second letter from left hand and third letter from the right hand? So what is the second letter from left hand? It is B. This one is the second letter from left hand. And what is the third letter from right hand? First, second, and third. K is the third letter from right hand, right? So for finding the letters between B and K, we will use the formula What is its place value? 2. And what is the place value of k? 11. So how many words will be there? How many letters will be there between 2 and 11? We will use the formula difference of their place value. 11 minus 2 plus 1. What is the 11 minus 2? 9 plus 1. It will be 8. So how many letters will be there between 2? 8. Got it? Understood? So just check. Don't do the mistake by changing only the straight away only the second letter from left hand and third letter from right hand. See how many conditions are it is asking to fulfill. Okay. First we have to replace the letters, then we have to arrange it. If we have to arrange it now, we cannot straight away do the changes in the letters asked. First we need to arrange it in the alphabetically order, and then we have to see the question what it is asking. Okay, got it? Any doubt in this? I hope all of you understand this. So we are moving to the next type of question. See, this question is very simple. It is asking if first half of the alphabetical series are reversed. What is it asking? To reverse the series. Okay. Then which letter will be 17th? We have to find the 17th letter from the right end. Means from the right end. Okay. So in English alphabet, how many letters we have from A to Z? We have 26 letters. Correct? And it is divided into two halves, first half and second half. We did in the first class. If you have not seen the first two parts, please check those parts and then come to the third part. It will be very easy for you to understand all the questions very easily, and you will not forget any questions anytime. It will help you to retain all the concepts. Okay. So the first half we have 13 letters and second half also we have 13 letters. A to M in the first half, correct? And N to Z in the second half, right? So our alphabetical series is from A to Z. And it is asking to reverse if the first half of the alphabetical series are reversed. Means it is asking us to reverse this one, not this one. Okay. So how it will reverse from A to M. From A to M it will reverse, and N to Z the second half will remain as it is. So we will reverse it like this. From A to M we will write M to A, and this will remain the same. So after reversing the first half, we have to find which letter will be 17th from the right end. So right end is in this direction from Z. We have to find the 17th letter. So we already know that this is the second half. This is the second half. Till here it is second half. So what is the place value? If we will count from Z till N, we will get here 13, right? So after N, what we will count? 14, 15, 16 and 17. So which letter is the 17th one? N is 13, A is 14, B is 15, C is 16 and D is 17. So this one is the 17th letter, and this is only our answer. So our answer will be what? D. Correct? Very simple. Understood all of you? Okay. So we are moving to the last type of question. In this question, see how it is changing. If A is changed to 1, B is changed to 3, C is changed to 5, D is changed to 7, and so on. So we have to change till Z. Then what is the sum of the place values? We have to find the sum of the place value of all the letters in the word given what? Beautiful. So we have to by following this changes, we have to find the sum of their place values. Okay, in this word. So just see here. A changed to 1 means 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. We are changing it in odd manner. Just see the pattern here. The place value of A is 1. If we will multiply the place value of A by 2, and then we will less 1 from it, what we are going to get? 1 into 2, 2, 2 less 1, 1. We are getting this one, 1. For B, place value of B is 2. If we will multiply it by 2, 2 2s are 4, less 1, what we are getting? 3. We are getting this one. In the same way for C also, place value is 3 into 2 less 1. We are getting what? 5. 3 into 2, 6 less 1, 5. In the same way, we are getting for D also. So what we are getting here is, this one is the place value into 2 less 1. We are getting the number required to change. Correct? So we will use this formula only to change the word beautiful. Okay? So for B, it will change to what? 3. E, it will change to, E will change to 9. A is 1. U. U, what is the place value of U? Tell me. T is 20, then U will be 21. 21 into 2, 42. 42 less 1, we are getting what? 41. So U will change to what? 41. After U, we have, T. What is the place value of T? 20 into 2, 40. 40 less 1 is equal to what? 39. Correct? So T will be 30, changed to 39. After T, we have I. For I, the place value is 9. 9 into 2, 9 into 2, 18. 18 less 1, it will be equal to 17. So it is 17. After I, we have F. What is the place value of F? Place value of F is what? 6. 6 into 2 less 1, 12 less 1, 11. So it will be 11. It will change to 11. After F, we have U. For U, we have already changed it to 41. And after U, we have L. So what is the place value of L? 12 into 2, 24. 24 less 1 is what? 23. So it will change to 23. We have changed all the letters in the word beautiful. B, E, A, U, T, I, F, U, L. Now we have to do what? We have already changed the letters. Now we have to find the sum of place values. So what is the sum of this? Do it. What we get? 185. So our answer is 185. Got it? Understood what we have to do here? So for any type of question, what we need to know the place values. We need to know the opposites of letter. We need to know the properties of these alphabetical series. And then, if we will know all these 3 things, we will do whatever question is asked in whatever type of question it will ask, we will get the answer correctly. Okay, we will be able to do the answer. So I hope everything is clear to you. So practice more questions and practice as many questions as possible. And if you are getting any doubt anywhere, just let me know in the comment section. I will be very obliged to help you in all the questions. Okay. Till then, thank you so much. If you like the videos, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. And please hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the class. Okay. Thank you.